For 6 years, a 28-year-old woman lived with a symptom that sounded almost impossible. She told doctors it felt like a ball was rolling around inside her stomach. Not cramping, not bloating, not ordinary abdominal pain. Something felt like it was physically moving inside her body. And strangely, every time she stood up, the pain became worse. When she lay down, it improved. Doctors performed scan after scan. Everything appeared normal, but something was clearly wrong. And what they eventually discovered revealed a rare condition that many people, and even some healthcare professionals, may never encounter. This is the story of a woman whose kidney refused to stay where it belonged. The patient was 28 years old, otherwise healthy, no major medical conditions, no previous surgeries, no obvious explanation for her symptoms. Yet for years, she experienced episodes of abdominal discomfort that seemed to follow a very unusual pattern. The pain wasn't constant. It would come and go. But there was one clue she kept noticing. Standing made it worse. Lying down made it better. At first glance, that might not sound particularly important. But in medicine, patterns matter. Sometimes a diagnosis hides inside details that seem insignificant. And this detail would eventually become the key to solving the mystery. Now think about this for a moment. If someone tells a doctor, "I feel like something is moving inside my abdomen," what would you suspect? Maybe stomach problems, maybe intestinal spasms, maybe muscle pain, maybe anxiety, maybe stress. Most people would not immediately think, kidney. And that's exactly why this condition can be so difficult to diagnose. Meanwhile, the real problem continued silently. Over the years, she sought medical help multiple times. Different doctors, different hospitals, different investigations. Yet the results kept coming back normal. And that's one of the most frustrating experiences a patient can face. Imagine knowing something isn't right, feeling real pain. But every test suggests everything is fine. Unfortunately, rare conditions often hide in that space between symptoms and standard testing. But doctors eventually noticed a clue that changed everything. During one consultation, she mentioned something unexpected. Her symptoms became better during pregnancy, especially later in pregnancy. At first, that sounds completely unrelated. Why would pregnancy improve abdominal pain? But what doctors realized next would completely change the direction of the investigation. Because pregnancy changes the position of organs inside the abdomen. And if an organ was moving when it shouldn't, pregnancy might temporarily hold it in place. That possibility led doctors to consider a rare diagnosis called nephroptosis, also known as a floating kidney. Let's break that word down. Nephro means kidney. Ptosis means falling or dropping. So nephroptosis literally means a kidney that drops lower than it should. Normally, your kidneys stay relatively fixed in position. They are supported by surrounding fat, connective tissue, muscles, and nearby structures. Most people never think about where their kidneys are because they stay exactly where they're supposed to. But sometimes, a kidney becomes excessively mobile. Instead of remaining stable, it moves downward when a person stands. And when that movement becomes significant, symptoms can begin. But doctors still needed proof. And this is where the investigation became interesting. Because routine scans are often performed while a patient is lying down. If the kidney only moves when standing, a standard scan might completely miss the problem. So doctors ordered a different type of imaging study. Instead of looking at the kidney in just one position, they examined it while the patient changed position, lying down, then standing up. And finally, the mystery revealed itself. Her right kidney was dropping more than 5 centimeters when she stood upright. 5 centimeters. That may not sound like much, but organs are not supposed to wander around inside the body. This movement was enough to stretch surrounding tissues, blood vessels, and nerves. And that stretching likely explained years of unexplained pain. Suddenly, everything made sense. the worsening pain while standing, the relief while lying down, even the improvement during pregnancy. Doctors believed the enlarged uterus during pregnancy may have provided temporary support to the kidney, reducing its abnormal movement. A tiny clue had solved a 6-year mystery. What's remarkable is that many people with nephroptosis never develop symptoms. Some may never know they have it. Others experience only mild discomfort. But in certain individuals, particularly thin women with less supporting tissue around the kidneys, the organ can become mobile enough to cause significant symptoms. This is one reason the condition remains controversial and frequently overlooked. Because not everyone with a floating kidney becomes ill, and not every doctor immediately suspects it. Imagine living for years knowing something feels wrong, being told repeatedly that your tests look normal, being reassured, being dismissed, wondering whether the problem is all in your head. Many patients with rare diseases describe this emotional burden as one of the hardest parts of their journey. Not being believed can be almost as painful as the symptoms themselves. But now doctors finally had an answer. And more importantly, they had a treatment. The procedure is called nephropexy. Nephro, meaning kidney. Pexy, meaning fixation. In simple terms, the kidney is secured in a more stable position so it can no longer move excessively. Today, many surgeons perform this using minimally invasive techniques, allowing patients to recover faster than traditional surgery. And the outcome? Remarkable. Just weeks after treatment, the symptoms that had dominated her life for 6 years disappeared. No more rolling sensation. No more mysterious pain. No more unanswered questions. For the first time in years, she finally understood what had been happening inside her body. This case teaches an important lesson. Not every medical problem appears on the first test. Not every disease announces itself clearly. Sometimes the body whispers before it screams. Sometimes a diagnosis hides inside small details. A symptom that changes with position. Pain that improves during pregnancy. A clue that seems unrelated. And sometimes, paying attention to those details changes everything. If you're learning something from this story, consider subscribing to Health Casefile. Our mission is simple: to transform real medical mysteries into life-saving health awareness. Because understanding how diseases affect the body could help someone recognize symptoms earlier, seek help sooner, and potentially change the course of a life. And as this case reminds us, the human body still holds mysteries that medicine is uncovering every day. Disclaimer: this video is for educational and awareness purposes only and should not be used as medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always consult a qualified healthcare professional regarding symptoms or medical concerns.